way better.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another video for you. So today what I'm trying to do is improve the sound on my 23 GR Corolla. The sound is okay, but once you get to a certain level, 30 is good, 41 is fine. When you get down to like 45, you start to get some bass roll off, and when you get the top end, the sound is kind of crap. Like, I don't like it, and especially when I crank up my music, I feel like the amp is lowering the sound, and I want to change that. So basically, I found this online. It's called a mini amp from Sonic. So I ordered it, and I'm gonna try to install it, and hopefully this should help with the sound. I don't know how good it is. Some people that installed it said it's good. You know, the videos looks good, but let me find out for myself. So let's go ahead and install it. It should be a quick video. Also, a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Boop, 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 boop. Hit the subscribe button down below, put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's CarStomIt. So guys, this amp comes in this box right here. Let's open it up real quick and show you what's in the box. All right. Alright, here we go. Put this to the side. Here it is. This is the model number pretty much. This is the little mini amp. Has a 15-inch fuse, and we bought it from Sonic. Okay. All right, guys. So this is how it works. Everything should be plug and play. All right, let's take it out real quick. All right. So you got the cabling. I'll take it out in a little bit to show you guys. Then you got the little mini amp. Good size. And you have this little thing that tells you how to do it. Tell you a little bit of information. Here you go. It's 4-channel, 45 watt each, and 15 amp fuse. All right, guys. So here is the connection, and it has RCAs. Those RCA can be used for your auxiliary. It shows you a little bit how to use the gain. So here there's like a little bit of, what are these? Oh, a couple of little padding, little straps, and these are little foam pads. All right, guys. Okay, let me show you the rest. So this is the little mini amp, guys. So this is it. Fairly simple, right? Those RCAs can be used for auxiliary. So you got the front and the right. So you'll need a couple of splitter, and then boom, and an aux cable, and then you're all set. You shouldn't have to really move these. I think these already, the gain is already adjusted. So I'll leave them like that for now. I won't touch them until I know. And this is where the connector goes. So let's go to work, guys. And the other thing I didn't show you, it's the cable. Let me show you real quick. All right, hold on, guys. So there you go. This is the cabling, guys. There you go. And you guys see, everything is plug and play. Battery, make sure this is connected. Let's make sure it's all the way in. Yep, that's connected. There you go. There you go, guys. See, all the connectors are there. The only thing you gotta connect is really the ground. All right, let's go. I'm ready to install the mini amp. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna listen to some song. Let me find some YouTube friendly music. Yeah, so we're gonna listen to the music at 30, then from there we're gonna see how it sounds with and without. So let's go and find some YouTube friendly music now. So put your headphones on so you can really hear the difference. So this is the before. Let's go. All right, guys, so that's the before. I'm gonna go and listen to the music in the back doors to see the sound, so I can basically see how much difference it is. Let me let you listen to that for a little bit more. All right, guys, so we heard how it sounds. So now let's go and get this little project going, guys. So the first thing we're gonna do to take this off is super easy. So you grab your fingernail and then get it from the side, and then you can pop it. Oh, there we go. A little finesse. All right, this trim is out. Now we got to take this trim out. So you gotta grab your trim removal tool. All right, just pop it to the side here, guys, and pop it open. Same here on the other side. Okay, then we unplug the climate control unit. Then this trim over here is clipped, so just pull it firmly. Oh. All right, there we go. Took a little strong thing to pull it out. All right, see there's a screws here. There's another one over here on the top there. I'm gonna take a picture to show you guys, but these, we got 4 of them. Let's take these screws out. I use my magnet to grab the bolt to make sure it doesn't come out. There you go. All right, got the last bolt, guys. I got a length free. We're gonna just drape it over here. Okay, good to go. Now we're gonna take out the head unit. So now to take the whole thing out, you just grab it from the side here and pull. It's holding by a few clips. All right, this comes out. You don't need to take this out. So I'm gonna use this box right here, guys, to like for more support, just so the cable are not being pulled. Okay, so I gotta show you what we need to take out. So to get access to this cable, we gotta take this guy out right here and the black one underneath it. To make it easier, we take these cables out and then you can easily unplug these guys off. So let me do that right now. Right here, that's where the plugs are. Press the little connector. See if I can show it to you. Press the little clip. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay, I got it. Same thing for the black one. You just press it and pull. Okay, now these 2 guys are out. Then you can remove this guy. There we go, same thing for that. Okay, so that's all we need to do for now. Now we grab the cable. I put a little bit of tester tape on this, guys, just for more safety. I'm gonna put a little bit more tester tape here too. 1 second. So there you go, guys. I put a little bit of tester tape on this guy to make it look a lot nicer. I like this better, and I put some over here on the yellow for the battery. Make sure this doesn't come out. All right, so let's go and connect this guy up now. The way it goes, this gray goes into this white female, right? Okay, it's click. Make sure. All right, so this, the other end of the white goes into the radio itself. Make sure it clicks. Nice click. Alrighty. Okay, now this female goes into this female that came from the car. All right, let's plug this guy in too. Nice click. That's done. And then the other end of it goes into the radio. Alrighty, now we need to put the ground. This is the cable. We're gonna put it right here, guys. So let's just loosen this here. All right, so I'm gonna put the ground behind it like that to make sure it gets a really good connection. Slide it in there and tighten it back. All right, this is in, done. Okay, before I forget, guys, let's connect these 2 guys. So the black one goes on the top right here. Nice click. And the brown one goes next to it. Nice click. Okay, now guys, I already put some little tape off this. I'm probably gonna put more tape over on this later on, but for now I'm gonna leave it like that. So we gotta test it. Okay, let's connect this. All right, connect this guy in and connect that guy in too. High input. Okay, boom, that is done. All right, guys, from the factory, all those little switches are at 12 o'clock. So what I'm gonna do, The one that says front, I'm gonna leave it as is. The rear, I'm gonna go a little bit past 12 o'clock. All right. So I just move the rear to like 2 o'clock, and the front is at 12. So I didn't touch the front, okay? Because I just want to try to match it. So the rear front is 12 o'clock, rear 2 o'clock. All right. So now, guys, I'm gonna take this back out. I'm gonna find a nice little area for this to fit in. Release it here. I'm pretty sure over here, right there, guys, it's a nice area. There's nothing that's gonna bother it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just zip tie, put the zip tie just like this. All right, guys. All right, ready, guys. Here we go. Now I can squeeze my little amp in the back there. There should be enough room. All right, so it's not moving, guys. It's definitely in there. Now let's fix those cables right in here. There's room for them. All right, guys, so this is in. So now, guys, it's time for us to try this unit. Let's go. All right, guys, so I got the head unit in. Let's play that same music that we were playing at 30 and then see how it sounds. Plug it in. I plug in my phone now. It sounds better when you plug it in. So all right, let's go. Definitely louder, deeper. Oh, the bass is so much better, guys, and it's at 30. It sounds so much clearer. That's what I like about it. Oh yes. Wow, way better, guys, way better. So guys, long story short is the bass is really thumpy, if that makes sense, and it's clearer on the top end, and there's no voice, but I can definitely tell it sounds better. I did not expect that at all. So far I'm pretty happy with it. Let me listen to a couple of the music that I usually listen to see how much I like it. All right, hold on. Wow. Guys, wow, like I'm really happy with that little mini amp. Tell the truth, I wasn't expecting anything at first. I'm like, I don't think this thing's gonna really work. It makes a big difference. It makes a big difference. Let me go listen to the rear to see how much better it sounds. Hold on, I'm gonna play some more music. All right, guys, I really like the way this sound, guys. I really like it. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Let's go and put everything back into the car, and then we can call this a done. Let's go. Okay, so now you know that everything is working. All you have to do is put those 4 bolts that hold the whole radio together. Okay, guys, the 4 bolts are on. The next thing we got to put on is this guy, the air duct vent thing. It's connected.
That's what that's for.
Yes, that's what it's for. Okay, and then line it up, slide it in, clipped in.
Bam.
So we got to put this climate control unit on. All right, just line up, clip in.
Bam. Bam.
Done. We got one more, the bezel or trim. Boom, that's done. Clean this up a little bit.
Covered in dirty fingers.
Yeah.
You scrolling.
All right, guys, so let's try it one more time. All right, so we're gonna play our music this time, guys. Ready? Let's go. All right, guys. Sounds really good. Very happy with it, guys. All right, guys, that little mini amp is installed and it sounds really good. I was impressed. I didn't think it was gonna sound that good, but so far I really like it. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, comment down below and let me know what you think. If you already have it installed, let me know if you like it or don't. I like it. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Until the next time, peace.